Paul Graham from Optimal Body Personal Training. Today I'm going to answer the question, what machines or exercises to use at the gym to lose weight? 13 years ago, when I started in the personal training industry and worked in a large box gym, commonly people getting a new membership were told, use machines. They're easier to learn and take less coordination. There's nothing wrong with machines, but what I would recommend that would benefit you a lot more is learning how to move with your body. So the first thing to do is learn how to move with body weight or using light free weights. You can incorporate some machines into this, but instead try to focus on bigger movements. So these are things like squatting, learning how to deadlift, doing pushing patterns, front planks, and a lot of other calisthenic exercises. These are going to be your best bet because they're going to carry over to not only getting you leaner, but also getting you so that you function better inside of your own body, which is important as someone starting to hit middle age and beyond to maintain a high quality of life. What I'd recommend doing is learning the proper and improper technique in doing body weight exercises. It's actually not that complicated, and you don't have a high risk of injury if you're either not loading these exercises or keeping them lighter in load. We have a playlist of over 100 exercises that walk you through proper and improper technique. You can find that up at the top of the screen here. You can even start doing these at home first if you're not super comfortable going to the gym. Learn how to do them, get efficient at them, and then branch off to the gym after that. The most important thing is to keep it simple. Focus on trying to learn how to move with your body more efficiently before you start spending a lot of your time in the machines. And you'll get a lot better benefit in terms of how much energy you're expending, how your movement quality improves, and the impact on your general fitness.